expression in your eyes. She's sleeping though. She looks
Are you
frightened.
snoring? Are you sleeping?
Sleepy girl.
You sleeping? You snore. You snore too loud. You going back to bed?